following the explosion in Johannesburg CBD last night that took place on Lillian Ngoyi Street, also known as Bree Street. The number of fatalities still remains at 1, and the 2 are still in critical condition at Charlotte Maxeke Hospital, says Gauteng Premier Panyaza Lesufi.
The number of fatalities still remain at 1. It's only 1 person. We have taken the fingerprints of the said individual. They are being assessed and analyzed, and the family members will then be notified. So we got the fingerprints and are using our electronic system to track the family of the deceased. Sorry, I had opportunity to visit the hospital today, and I met 4 of those that are still in hospital at Charlotte Maxeke. There were 2 that were in critical conditions. And our report still confirms that those 2 are still in a critical condition.
Lesufi added that there are 3 manholes that are likely to be the cause of the explosion and they are still under investigation.
There are 3 manholes that are an interest to their investigations. The explosion came through those 3 manholes. And the Department of Labor, they are of the view, and from their preliminary report, that there are certain institutions that they want to interview further.
Gauteng Premier also made it clear that there is no confirmation of what has caused the explosion and they are working together with all the institutions that have infrastructure underground.
Currently, as we speak, there is no confirmation regarding the cause of explosion. We have criminal reports from the Department of Labor. We've got reports of all institutions that have one form of infrastructure underground. Telkom, I've indicated, Egoli Gas, Sosol, City Power, and all those institutions that have this kind of services.
Panyaza Lesufi said in his own assessment of the damage, Lillian Ngoyi will remain closed for some time.
My own assessment of the damage, the nature of the impact, I'm of the strong view that Lillian Ngoyi, former Bree Street, is going to be closed for quite some time. For quite some time. The damage is extensive and the area affected is broad.